Okay, now student, we will discuss about increasing role of information technology. Okay, increasing role of information technology. Information technology has revolutionized many sectors in the Indian economy. So we have seen that due to information technology only, there are so many sectors has developed due to only information technology. Okay, there are so many sectors we have seen that there is a revolutionized as a revolution has come on so many sectors we have seen due to information technology. There is a broad agreement that IT will play a critical role in achieving sustainable development. So only due to IT there are so many logic, there are so many logic, there are so many debate has happened. There are so many agreement, there are so many agreement, there are so many debate, there are so many logic is there that due to IT only, due to the crucial role of IT only, there are so many sectors, they shows their sustainable development and food security in 21st century also. And due to information technology only, we have seen that there are so many regions, we see that there comes a food security in 21st century. Why? Because of due to information technology. Okay, next point is through appropriate information and software tools, government has been able to predict areas of food insecurity and vulnerability. So due to some appropriate information, due to some appropriate software tools, government now able to predict which sector is food insecure. That means which region is in case of food insecure, which sector or which number of peoples or which religions where peoples are vulnerable. That means they are not getting food, they are not getting some other products. So now we can able to collect this informations only through information technology, and somehow the government can prevent this type of problems. Now governments now able to prevent this type of problems like insecurity and vulnerability. And when government understand this type of insecurity and vulnerability, government can provide some foods or some other product in emergency conditions, in urgent conditions. Number third point, it also has a positive impact on agriculture, in agriculture sector, as it circulates information regarding emerging technologies and its application, prices, weather, soil conditions, growing different crops, etc. So it has another positive impact is it gives us so many informations about agriculture sectors. It circulates so many informations about agriculture sector. That means it gives so many informations to the farmers, tenants, marginal farmers, okay, laborers. Due to this information technology, now farmers able to gather informations regarding different types of technologies, how this technology can be implemented in agriculture sector or in horticulture sector or in fisheries. Okay, what should be the price of the goods, okay, what will be the weather conditions in future, what will how to grow the condition of soil. Okay, there are so many informations now the farmers or laborers or staffs now can gather only due to information technology. The third point is it has urged in a knowledge economy that is 1,000 times more powerful than the industrial revolutions. So it urged in a knowledge economy. That means it has started, the information technology has started as a knowledge economy, and knowledge is more powerful than any other things. Information technology, that means IT has urged in a knowledge economy. Knowledge economy means information technology is basically depend on information, that means knowledge, and knowledge is more powerful than any other things. And that is why that is why this is 1,000 times more powerful than industrial revolutions. That means what after industrial revolutions, what we have got 10 times, we have got 1,000 times more, we have got 1,000 times more what we have got in industrial revolutions. That means IT gives us 1,000 times more, okay, then what we have got after industrial revolutions. So that means with this statement, with this line, we understood that how IT is important, how information technology is important. Without information technology we can do nothing, we cannot improve any sector, we cannot develop any sector, and that is why it is 1,000 times more, it is 1,000 times more powerful than industrial revolutions. Number 5th point is it acts as a tool for releasing the creative potentials. So it's another important is it releasing creative potential and knowledge. So information technology gives us some potential, some creative potential. Some creative potential means there are so many things we do not know. There are so many things we do not know previously, but now due to information technology, our creative mind can now apply those things. We do not have so many knowledges, we do not have so many informations, but due to information technology now we understand all these things, and that is why due to information technology it has the power of creative potential and knowledge embedded in our people. It also has a potential of employment generation in rural areas. That means due to information technology there are so many improvement we have seen in rural areas. Due to information technology, farmers now able to apply some technologies, okay, some farmers now understand how to implement these technologies in agriculture sector or in some other sectors, and due to this their productions now immensely increases. And these things shows that farmers now creates so many productions and also employment generations, okay, and that is why this information technology is very very important in our agriculture and related sectors, okay. And the last point before I completing this video, that organic farming, sustainable development and organic farming is not in your syllabus. Sustainable development and organic farming is not in our syllabus, okay, and that is why we will not read this part. So this is the last part IT, okay, this is the last part IT we have completed. Next we will discuss the next chapter, that is employment. The next chapter is employment growth and informations, okay. We will start our next chapter, okay, employment growth, informalization and other issues. Thank you.